Adventure Lily na ako. Thank you so much guys. Please connect tayo. Adventure Lily na tayo.
Zero FXB Elenco DJ X100, the EU model. I had the Japanese model, but yes, I did send it back because I literally couldn't read the menu. Now with the EU model and the A model, is it for the USA? It's in English, way, so it was well worth it. I got lucky because Japan let me send it back, no problems at all. I had a full refund. And the price ended up being exactly the same. These are $499 Martin Lynch Moonraker. They're all selling them $499. So let's just quickly show you what you get here. So radio or scanner, English power thing. They do give you an adapter for that plug. Battery, USB-C, and we're still waiting for the EU programming software. But this scanner will keep me very busy, just without the software. But yeah, looking forward to actually getting the software as well. So 3,100.
Ayan guys, watching your video. The adventure na tayo guys. Please connect tayo. I-ano ko lang to i-charge. Tamsak guys, tamsakan ang nakapin guys. Please connect tayo guys. Tamsak ang nakapin. Ayan, i-play natin ng mga members natin.
Charge this up easily. USB-C and the charge give you
Si Adventure Lily, Baylakay. Pin natin si Baylakay. Ayan, thumbs up guys. Don't forget to click thumbs up. Please, 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 please. Release me, let me go.